Welcome to today's Explainer. You know the feeling, right? It's Sunday night, those Sunday scaries are creeping in, and you make the massive mistake of opening LinkedIn, only to see like 3 different people from your graduating class announcing these amazing new promotions. Cue the instant overwhelm. Let's be honest, navigating a career today is incredibly complex and, honestly, kind of chaotic. But today, we're diving into the source material for Echelon OS, and discovering it feels like a genuine light bulb moment. We are going to explore how leveraging an AI-powered system can completely transform the way you organize and navigate your professional life, cutting right through all that noise.
Okay, here's our game plan for today. We'll start by examining the reality of the career growth problem. Second, we'll enter Echelon OS and define what it actually is. Third, we're going to unpack the platform's core capabilities. And finally, we'll explore that incredible transition from confusion to clarity. Let's jump right in.
Part 1, the career growth problem, or navigating all that noise.
Let's start by just being real for a second about trying to grow a professional footprint today. It is a completely chaotic experience for most of us. We're constantly stuck between this scattered reality we're living in and the absolute clarity we actually desire. On one side, everything is fragmented, noisy, completely uncertain. I mean, we all have that resume saved on our desktop as final_final_ version 4, right? And maybe a LinkedIn profile you haven't touched since, 2019? Your goals are probably just abstract thoughts floating around. But on the flip side, what we desperately need is a career path that's structured, actionable, and totally focused. It is a massive disconnect, and it highlights exactly why our current approach to career building is fundamentally broken.
So ask yourself, are you overwhelmed by career decisions? The applications, the positioning, the endless growth planning? Because honestly, whether you're a super ambitious young professional, a student just starting out, or even a startup founder trying to figure out your market positioning, this is a very real, incredibly exhausting pain point. Pouring all your energy into just random effort, sending applications out into the void without any real strategy behind it, it completely drains you. It's basically a one-way ticket to professional burnout before you even land the job.
All right, Section 2. Enter Echelon OS. Basically, your new professional command center.
To escape all that overwhelming noise, we really need an architectural solution. So what actually is Echelon OS? Simply put, it's an AI-powered career operating system designed to take all your scattered career info and turn it into a structured, actionable system. And notice the wording there, it isn't relying on flashy startup jargon or making empty promises of overnight success. It acts as a serious, premium hub for your professional life. It literally takes all those chaotic inputs, all the noise, and builds a cohesive system you can actually trust and act on.
And who is this built for? Well, it's surprisingly broad but totally evenly split. We're talking 25% young professionals, 25% students, 25% job seekers, and 25% startup founders and operators. Which is super interesting, right? Because it shows us that whether you're a seasoned founder scaling a business or a recent college grad just entering the workforce, the need for career momentum is a universal goal. The overwhelm hits all of us, and therefore a structured operating system is something we all universally need.
Moving on to Section 3, Core Platform Capabilities. Let's see how this engine actually works.
Let's systematically pop the hood and see exactly what this AI can do. First up, resume and profile intelligence. It actively analyzes what you're projecting out into the world. Then it uses AI-powered career analysis to figure out your true professional trajectory based on real data. Next, it builds a personalized roadmap, tailored specifically for your goals. From there, it moves into pure action, matching you with jobs and opportunities alongside continuous progress tracking so you always know exactly where you stand. Oh, and there's a dedicated founder and operator mode too. It's a comprehensive suite built to not just polish your profile, but proactively prep you for the absolute highest leverage opportunities out there. Now here is where the real magic happens, the translation. Think of it like this. Your raw, scattered data gets transformed into a highly personalized career strategy. Your existing resumes and LinkedIn profiles, the system turns those into actionable profile intelligence. Your broad, kind of vague career goals and skills get synthesized into a crystal clear personalized roadmap. And your job targets and progress data, those feed straight into precise opportunity matching. The AI is basically the ultimate translator, taking the raw materials you already have and building the structured future you want.
This whole thing follows a really logical, continuous progression. Step 1, the system analyzes your scattered career info, pulling everything into one centralized place. Step 2, it generates that personalized career strategy, giving you some much-needed direction. And step 3, you actively track your progress and unlock new paths forward. It literally takes all the guesswork out of the equation. You aren't just applying blindly anymore. You're refining your trajectory using a dynamic system that actually learns and adapts with you.
Finally, Section 4, from confusion to clarity, and the emotional payoff of all this.
Because at the end of the day, all these technical tools only matter if they make a real human impact, right? The ultimate shift we're talking about today is moving from random effort to focused momentum. Just imagine the absolute relief, that serene clarity you feel when your professional life finally has genuine structure. No more throwing things at the wall just to see what sticks, no more late-night anxiety scrolling through job boards without a plan. When you swap out that exhausting random effort for deeply focused momentum, you start making choices with total confidence. You stop reacting to the market and you start controlling your own narrative.
The source material leaves us with a pretty powerful directive. Build your next level with Echelon OS. It's a direct invitation to finally step away from the noise. So I'll leave you with a provocative question to chew on today. What does your next level actually look like? If you could completely strip away all that fragmentation and uncertainty right now and clearly map out your future, what is the very first step you'd take? Just think about how applying a structured system like this could unlock that exact path for you. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep organizing that knowledge, and I will catch you next time as we continue breaking down the concepts shaping our world.